Hey everyone. Alright, I am in Palm Springs. Sorry it's been a little while. I kind of was feeling under the weather. Spent a couple days with my aunt in Arizona. It was beautiful, but I didn't do too much. So now I'm back on the road. I just paid $81 to put 11 gallons in my car because I'm in California. And off we go to Monterey. Alrighty, I've been looking at these little dirt side roads all day, and well, the last time I said something like that, I got completely stuck in the mud and had to spend a whole day out of my way fixing that problem. Well, today I'm going to try it again, and hopefully we're going to have more success. Anyway, off we go. Okay, well, I'd say that was a sizable hill, and I just scaled it in this car, which I am honestly very surprised about. Was slightly terrified. I'm still shaking a little bit, but it was so worth it. The view was amazing. Just seeing the car on top of the hill was like kind of weird and surreal in a way, because this car is definitely not meant to be doing that. But Quattro never fails. Well, it does fail sometimes, but in this case, it was rock solid. Wow, it's been like, it feels like it's been a week, because I think it has, literally just driving straight through the desert. So it is definitely relieving to be in a cooler climate, and there's like trees and green things. It's really nice. So anyway, I am now in Monterey, California. Now, why did I basically choose to skip all of these awesome things in Arizona, New Mexico, and California for that matter, just to come here? Well, there is a very exciting event going on starting tomorrow and going through Sunday. Now, you guys are going to be seeing this probably long after I actually post videos from the event. So I'm just going to put a sick compilation together of everything. begun my drive from Monterey, California to LA on US 1, and I currently just took my first pull off on US 1, and my gosh, is it gorgeous. I've heard that most of this road is absolutely gorgeous, so I'm going to continue along. I'm going to stop where I feel like I could grab some pictures, and we're going to just keep moving along. Hello everyone, welcome to downtown LA. So I am currently underneath some of the main roads here, and we are actually just getting a whole bunch of Audi RS6s together. So a couple really cool RS6 owners organized this meet for my arrival in LA, and I'm really excited to meet a lot of these people. And anyway, check it out. All right, good morning. So it is now 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm in LA, and I am at a gas station where it seems to be that everybody is getting gas before this car meet called Good Vibes. I think I've heard of it before, and I'm pretty excited to check it out. It did decide to kind of get rainy and bleak this morning, but it's not going to stop us. So off we go. Okay everybody, I am now at the top of a mountain pass with my friend Andrew, who I just met yesterday, but we've been talking for a while. He's got this beautiful Audi RS6 behind me, and we went to a really cool car meet called Good Vibes. So I'm going to have Andrew tell you a little bit about the event.
So it was this morning we met up with Evan, and we went up historic Angeles Crest Highway, and to hit up this really cool weekly breakfast car meet called Good Vibes. And it's where a lot of enthusiasts from Southern California get together and just check out the cars, have a good time, hang out, talk. So it was a lot of fun to bring Evan up here, and to also see the RS6s getting a lot of love.
So I have Andrew's gorgeous Audi RS6 behind me. It's actually a really cool color called Sebring Blue Metallic, and it looks black right now, but it's a really deep, dark metallic blue. It really only comes out in the sunlight, and it's amazing. It's sitting low on some HRE wheels, two-piece, and it's just the perfect combination. Okay everybody, I am here with my friend Jake. Jake is from Sarasota, Florida. He lives in the same apartment complex that I live in, and we went to school together. So it's super cool that he's in town,
and we are on Rodeo doing some car spotting.
Why are you here in LA?
I don't know. I come here every so often, sort of as a getaway, and it's because someone that I work for takes me here, and that's really
Who
it.
cannot be named,
Who cannot be named. I will not name him,
but it's kind of famous.
but it's kind of famous, like a little bit, but not really to anyone who would be watching.
Absolutely not.
No,
Yeah,
but
but
he's cool,
yeah,
and he takes me here.
and he's letting me sleep in my car in his driveway. because
Yeah.
There's way too many people.
Yeah, but you slept on the couch one night.
No, I did sleep on the couch. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why are you driving my car
Because I want to.
in Beverly Hills?
Because that's what you do. You let me drive your cars, and then I get to look. You get to look around while I get to drive.
And then when I ask to drive your Mustang, I get denied almost every
My
time.
Mustang's a lot. Like
It's not though. 'Cause
it's worth a lot more. Should we start it?
should we? I don't know. You
Where's the
gotta
key?
just put your foot on the brake.
Remote control.
Oh
hold back key
my
against the
goodness.
This is why I don't buy Audis.